Hi, I'm Marna, and yesterday we went to our local thrift store. Haven't been there in a very long time, but I'm going to be visiting again soon. Wait till you see what $2.50 bought. An official Barbie car. It's missing the headlight, which that might be kind of fun to try to replace. 25 cents. I'm going to have to clean that up. But it has the seat belts. How cute is that? This was in the free tub, a little baby bottle, and that's like a baby bottle. So that'll be good with my baby alives. I had been looking for, and it was too late in the season, but I was looking for these ladies' gloves, or men's, it doesn't matter. These little stretch gloves, because I saw some crafts for Barbie that you can make out of these. These are old. I wanted the new, but they will still work. So I'm going to throw these in the washing machine, and I will hang those to dry, and we'll make a craft day out of that. These were in the free tub. Look what else I got. There could be some Barbie racing going on. This is the official Barbie car. I should have showed this one. These are in excellent condition, all in all. And the wheels are good all the way around. They still have the Barbie logo on them. I didn't even count these. How cute are these little bunny rabbits? We decorate inside and out at Easter. 2, 4, 6 of these little white rabbits. And I'm not getting this out because I'm kind of letting it rest. I'm not paranoid about this virus and all of that, but I'm not stupid either. But these will hang from something. I just thought they were really cute. They could sit around on shelves in front of books and stuff. That was $1 for 6, which I thought was great. These 2 dolls, I thought she was just really cute. Just a cute little doll. I'll clean her up and recurl her hair. She was in the free bin. And y'all know I collect these little McDonald's Barbies. Excellent condition. I'm not sniffing any of this, again, because of the virus. But she's in excellent condition. She was in the free bin. These are so cute. And again, I'm not opening bags right now. But for 50 cents, I got these adorable craft hats that I'm going to use on my 18-inch dolls and my Chatty Cathys. Aren't they cute? Oh, it says doll craft something. 50 cents. And then the prize. Check out this Bratz doll with shoes and clothes. Her hair, again, not sniffing it, but I will clean her up and redo her hair. Look what I paid. 50 cents. She was like the prize. But that's not all. They also gave me a thick paper bag, which, if you know me, this will be used for patterns and other crafts that I do. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and consider subscribing.